Are you looking for an exciting career change in healthcare? Then Unity Hospice and Palliative Care might just be what you're looking for.
Unity has been a great career for me, but personally, it has touched my life in many positive ways.
We've been awarded as one of the nation's top workplaces year after year, and there's a reason why.
I feel like I'm important to this organization and valued and respected.
In addition to the welcoming and supportive culture Unity prides itself in, you'll also enjoy the extensive benefits we have to offer. And most importantly, a chance to truly make a difference in people's lives for a company that prides itself in the care we provide.
That level of support, you can't put a price on it. It was priceless.
To find a list of job opportunities near you, visit our LinkedIn page or at unityhospice.com/careers.